Welcome back to my channel. Let's make some Callaloo quinoa. So we need some Callaloo and onion. Wait, this onion is running away. We need some garlic, some pepper, and some quinoa. So we're gonna start by washing our Callaloo with some water and vinegar. And this is just to clean off any insects that could be on our Callaloo. Wash it real good. Then we're gonna get a saucepan. We're gonna add some oil. We're gonna go ahead and chop up our onion, but our onion keeps rolling away. Stay. Be a good onion. There we go. Let's chop this up. Wait, this is not working. Come on. There we go. Yes. Chop up our onions. Add it to the pot. Grate in our garlic. Cut up our pepper. Any amount of pepper you like. Wait, here we go again. Onion keeps rolling over the place. Add some black pepper, some salt, and then it's time to cut up our Callaloo. We're gonna take off the seeds. We're gonna cut off the ends of the Callaloo stems, and then we remove it and just fold it up and just cut it up, rough cuts. Very easy. Add it to the saucepan over all the vegetables and just do all of this to the Callaloo, and there you go. We're going to put this on low flames, really low. Cover and let it steam. Then we're going to get some water. So we're gonna bring some water to a boil, add some salt, add our quinoa. Then we're gonna add a little oil, just mix that together. And then we know what we're going to do. We're going to turn down the fire low so that it can just take a little time and cook. Then we're gonna mix up with Callaloo, and then we're going to add a little water, just a little bit, not too much, that the Callaloo can cook a little bit more softer. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our quinoa to our Callaloo. All of this nice Callaloo juice, the quinoa is going to soak up all of those flavors. We add the quinoa to our Callaloo, and now we just mix it around and cover and let it steam for like around 3 minutes. Now look at this. This is beautiful. It done cook so fast, and the quinoa suck up all of the juice. It tastes so rich and nice. I mean, we turn off the fire. We can taste to see if we would like to add a little bit more salt or black pepper. You can even boost this up by adding some sardine or saltfish. Trust me, it's so good. Thanks for watching, everyone, and stay tuned for more content like this.